Hello, and today we will be repairing Marty Mars. Do not share this with outside personnel. Marty has had a rough day today and is in need of repair. First, we will replace his eye. Go ahead and grab the correct eye color and type for Marty Mars. Great! Now, head back to Marty Mars and import the new eye. Amazing! Now head back. Next, we will be grabbing new arm parts for Marty Mars's left arm. Great! Now place the arm onto Marty's left endoskeleton. Now, for the final step, we will be opening up Marty's stomach hatch. Now carefully remove each object that is inside of his stomach hatch, as it can mess with his systems. Great! Now,